Hey students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss rational numbers. In that we are going to discuss the topic a subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. Properties of a subtraction of rational numbers. Okay, here the third property it is associativity. The subtraction of rational numbers is not associative. Okay, so here it has to satisfy the condition. Choose three numbers for associativity. It is nothing but a by b, c by d, e by f. Okay, now here the condition is a by b minus c by d minus e by f is equal to a by b minus c by d bracket minus e by f. Here the bracket it plays a major role in the associative property. Now we need to consider the rational numbers as 2 by 3 is the first number, minus 5 by 6 is the second one, and 7 by 12 is the third one. Okay, now we'll apply in the condition. When you apply the condition here, 2 by 3 minus of minus 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3 minus of 5 by 6 whole bracket minus 7 by 12. Okay, now first we'll simplify the left hand side. If we simplify this, 2 by 3 minus, first we have to simplify the bracket. So here the LCM of 6 and 12, it is going to be 12. So I need to multiply to both numerator and denominator, so that we are going to get the value as minus 5 2s are 10 divided by 6 2s are 12 minus 7 divided by 12. 2 by 3 minus, now the denominator is same, so I can write only once. Here we'll get a minus 10 minus 7. Now further if you simplify this, 2 by 3 minus of minus a minus, it will come minus 10 plus 7, it is 17 divided by 12. Now if we simplify the right hand side, first we have to check the denominators. Here it is 3 and here it is going to be 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So I am going to multiply the first term into 2 to get the denominator as 6. So further if you simplify this, we are going to get 2 2s are 4 minus 6. Minus of minus, you will get here it is plus 5 by 6 minus 7 divided by 12. Now denominators are same, so I can write once. If you simplify, 4 plus 5 minus 7 by 12. 4 plus 5, the value it is 9 by 6 minus 7 by 12. Now here the LCM for 3 and 12, it is 12. So I need to multiply both numerator and denominator for first term by 4. So we'll get the denominators equal. 2 4s are 8 divided by 4 is the 12. Minus of minus, you will get plus 17 divided by 12. So here denominators is same, 12. Just I am going to add the numerator, 8 plus 17. So 8 plus 17, it is nothing but 25 divided by 12. When it comes to the right hand side, or the LCM for 6 and 12, it is going to be, the value it is 12. To get the denominator as 12 in the first term, I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 12. So that we will get here 9 2s are 18 divided by 6 2s are 12 minus 7 divided by 12. Now here the denominators is same. I can write once 12, 18 minus 7. So 18 minus 7, the value it is 11. 11 divided by 12. Is it equal left hand side and the right hand side? No, it is not equal. Here we have 25 by 12, here 11 by 12. Both it is not equal. So already we have discussed in the beginning the subtraction of the rational number. The subtraction of a rational numbers is not associative. Okay, now we'll move to the next property. The fourth property, existence of identity for subtraction in the rational numbers. Okay, now here we are going to take the rational number. The rational number, it is nothing but I am going to consider it as a by b. Okay, we know very well here identity, it is nothing but we need to subtract something to the number. When you subtract the number, you have to get the same number. If it is going to be satisfies for left hand side and the right hand side, then the existence of identity is satisfied, or we can say subtraction has identity. Okay, let me see here whether subtraction has identity or not. First I am going to take here a b minus 0 is equal to the condition. Next we need to take a 0 minus a by b. Here the left hand side and right hand side both it has to be equal. Let me check here. A by b minus 0, the value it is a by b is equal to 0 minus a by b, the value it is going to be minus a by b. So here we got left hand side as positive and right hand side as a negative. So here this condition is not satisfied. So subtraction has only right identity. Therefore subtraction as only a right identity. A right identity, it is nothing but a right side you will get the exactly the number what we have. In the left hand side you are going to get the inverse. Only for the right side you will get. So if you add any number like a 4 by 5 minus 0, you are going to get the answer as 4 by 5. If you take minus 9 minus 0, it is nothing but minus 9. But when it comes to the left hand side it is not correct identity. You are not going to get the identity for left hand side. It is possible only for the right hand side. Therefore we can say subtraction as no identity. Subtraction as no identity because it has to be satisfied both left hand side and the right hand side. It is going to be satisfied only in the right side, but it is not satisfied in the left hand side. So we can say here subtraction as a no identity for the rational numbers. Okay, next here the next property, fifth one, existence of inverse. Inverse for subtraction of rational numbers does not exist. So in this condition, here the existence of inverse, it is not going to be exist for subtraction in the rational numbers.